Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters. And po, it's 6 o'clock in the morning right now, and we are walking here around our area. And I'm bringing with me the two cute dogs of my Uncle Danny. And so, lakad-lakad na po kami. Going back to our clinic. May chihuahua kasi dito na aso, kaya medyo naaamoy nila. Alright, let's go cross the street. Yeah, may chihuahua kasi dito na aso, kaya naaamoy. Iiyan niya para may teritoryo din daw siya. Let's go across the street. Okay. Look to the left, look to the right, look to the left, look to the right. All clear. Let's go. Okay, so today it's morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, and wala pang tao ang aming parking area. Wala pa talagang tao sa aming parking area, kaya solo po ang ating dalawang aso ang parking area. This is the third day that we've been walking here. I have to bring them inside now after this because they already pooped, they already peed, so we're good to go. I'm just making them walk a little for a short distance, more distance, just to make sure they exercise and they're happy before I bring them inside our clinic, because the whole day we have patients. I cannot really have to make sure that they have their exercise today, and later in the evening we'll do another exercise because the noon time is hot. Alright mga masters, hanggang dito na muna tayo. This is Shomai, and this is Oliver, and of course your one and only Master Worm, and God is great. Yahoo!